Hi there, so this is a video for using the piano wire to attach the wing to the wing servo up here. So essentially what we're going to be making is a little piece in the end like this with a few bends in it. And what's given to you in the kit are two 8cm pieces of piano wire, just like this. And these, in case you didn't find them for some reason, are behind the little picture of RoboBrrd on the box, or inside of the box of your kit, and then just behind it they're just taped to the back of the cardboard like that. So when we get one of these 8cm pieces, the first thing that we're going to do is make a Z-bend in it. So you can do this with regular pliers, or you can also do it with Z-bend pliers, which I happen to have. So the way it's going to work here is I'm lining up the piano wire with the Z-bend pliers just at the end right here. And so now when I squish it, it gives me a nice few 90-degree angles like this. So now with this, what we're going to do is push it right through the servo, so servo horn, just like this, so going like that. So the first part of the 90-degree bend is through, and then push this one down so that the other part goes through, and then it's just sitting like this. Now when the servo is at its home position, like so, and then you move the piano wire over near the second hole of the wing, then just make a mark, because this is where you're going to be bending the piano wire to hook onto the wing. So take the wing off, and then also take the Z-bend off. Oh, my servo isn't in completely yet, so that's why I did that. And so now what we want to do is bend around that point right there, that blue Sharpie marker point. So for that we're going to use regular pliers. So just putting them here like this. Alright, so I'm going to be using like the the fattest point of the plier where it has ridges in it to keep the wire steady. And then now I'm just going to bend this around the top part of the plier, so it's moving around just like that. And then bend in this part as well. It may take a bit of like strength to do this, and once you got it, it should be good. So now it's like this. Let's see if we bent it at the right point. So we have our wing here, and what we do is we just thread it through the wing like this and push it through like that, and then we grab RoboBrrd here, and then move this in like that, and then like that, and then the wing should hopefully be able to match up with this rivet here, so that way when it's pushed down it's like that. Now the next thing that you will want to do is cut off this piece right here, this like dangling extra long piece. So I'm gonna take mine out of the wing to do that, and it's really important with this wire to use safety glasses when you're cutting it, because sometimes it flies all over the place. Alright, so I'm gonna cut mine right about there. Just like that. Alright. So there's the extra piece right there. And now here's this piece, and we can actually squish this a bit more, so that way, just in case, the wing won't fall off of it. off of the piano wire. Well, I guess this isn't really bending it very good, but yeah, well, it bent it a bit, okay. So then we do, oh, wrong way. Then we do the same thing, just thread this in through here, like this. And if you want, there may be a bit more mechanical advantage to squish it here along the arm of the wing. Just make sure it's able to rotate freely. So this one's pretty good because as I'm moving it around here, it won't fly off of the wing. Now we take now we take our RoboBrrd and just thread this piano wire through here and then attach it to the wing rivet, and there you go. That's the piano wire for the wing. And so now it will be able to move a lot better. And this works for all the RoboBrrd kits, not just this fancy custom fiery one I have here. Squawk! So hopefully that helps, and worst case you can always use paper clips to do this, which is a lot more malleable than this piano wire here. So hopefully this helps, and yeah, woot woot!